Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So yesterday I showed you how to easily create this profitable system on TradingView using some amazing indicators that they have on the platform. If you haven't watched that video, when you finish watching this video, you can go ahead and watch that video. Very simple to follow strategy that you can basically use to turn small monies into huge monies without cranking your head. That's the purpose of this channel, that we help each other to make money, and without making it so difficult and so technical and so scientific and everything. So today's video, I'm going to show you a once premium indicator. This was like selling on the premium shelf on TradingView, but now it's available for free, and you can basically use the same approach like what we have with this system here. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any future videos. Go ahead and like the video. If you don't learn one or two things in this video, at least I've given you some good entertainment for a few minutes. So the least that you can do for me is to just like the video. So go ahead and like the video. If you are looking to download forex robots, books, indicators, those things that people are selling out there, everything that we do on this channel is for free. So go ahead and see the links in the description box below. There will be links to several blogs where we post all the robots that people are selling out there, the indicators, and you can get them for free. The broker that I use after I do my analysis here, and when I get signals here, the broker that I use is in the link in the description box below. With just $5, you can open a real life trading account, which is good so that you can test these systems that I'm going to be showing you here on a TradingView. Then you can go to your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 and see if it works. If it works, then definitely you want to give you want to add some more money into your account, and that's how you grow that account and make some money. So let's get back to the video. So I'm just going to get rid of this. Again, if you are wondering what is this, I think definitely go and watch yesterday's video. Let me just do this. I had these pop-ups. They're probably going to come back. So this is TradingView. We're starting afresh. So this is TradingView, and what are you going to do now? What's going to happen is you are going to go to your indicators, and you're going to search for UT alert. Okay, this one. This is what we want. Yeah, this is UT bot alerts. This is the robot that was. It's not a robot. The indicator that was on the premium shelf, but now it's available for free, and you can see a lot of people have just rushed and started downloading it. So let's just add it to our chart. So this is what it does. So you can see it almost does the same deal as our system that we developed in the previous video. It's an identical setup, but except instead of what we did in the previous video of compiling everything together, with this one everything comes compiled together. It comes compiled together, you can see. So what you just need to do now, when you go in here, let's probably drop down to the 15. I know people love to trade the 15-minute time frame. So what you need to do when you put it on your chart is definitely to filter out bad signals. That's the first thing that we want to do. Indicators will give you bad signals here and there. It doesn't mean that they are totally bad, because indicators are based on some good formulas most of the time. Most of the time, they're based on some good trading formulas. So it doesn't mean that they are bad. So what we can do maybe is, first of all, just change some inputs. Here we can maybe put, because we're trying to weed out bad signals, maybe let's keep it at 3 there. Let's see what we have. This is what we have. So you see, you're beginning not to filter out the bad signals. Maybe let's go back to the hourly. I'm on a small screen. That's why I have to constantly scroll up and down. Let's zoom out a bit, and let's do that. So this is the euro dollar, and here it gave a signal to buy, and if you had bought here, you would certainly be what, in the money. Now you want to ignore signals, like what I say when I teach people using moving averages and all these trending indicators. Make sure that the price is not in a range before you trust what, that moving average or trend following indicator. That's what you want to do. You want to avoid situations where the price is actually in a range, because usually when that happens, the moving average or the trend following indicator usually produces wrong signals. So just sort of watch out for that. And you can see there a sell that was a good sell. This was a good sell. This was a good sell. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's zoom out a bit. This is what on the 1 hour time frame. This is one on the 1 hour time frame. If you're taking a sell, let's say around here. Now it's on the buy thing. If you're taking a sell or a short position, um, let's see what would have happened. Would have done something like that. Then obviously your stops would have been above recent highs there. This is what could have happened if you taken this sell and probably got out around here. Same deal. If we had taken a sell somewhere here, and we put our stop loss obviously above the recent high of the red, around the most recent red, that was what we're going to have there. Here we have a buy there. Um, Here we have a buy. So we want to go to the first buy candle and let it close. Then the second one, we take our buy. So maybe let's say if we're taking a buy somewhere there, and definitely our stop loss, we just want to put it just a recent buy candle there, and that will be something you'll probably be smiling at the moment. And so I hope this gives you some pointers on how you can use these indicators. Sorry, my throat. Still very early in the morning. Then what you can also do is to filter out bad trades. Obviously, try to get an RSI. You can use an RSI or you can use a MACD. What I love to do with my RSI is to just go in there, then I just want to remove that, and then I just want to keep this RSI based moving average. Maybe let's just make it that wide, and yeah. Now we have the makings of a good system. So I'm going to use then the RSI. You can adjust the inputs for the RSI to whatever best suits the asset that you are trading there. So you are watching out for the RSI obviously to be below 50 before you start considering what any sell trades. And this indicator, you can also what you can also still make some adjustments. Maybe you say the signals you don't trust them. Maybe you can make some adjustments depending on the time frame as well that you are trading. Then what I also always emphasize on people is that what you want to do with these systems and indicators. Uh, Now my thing has disappeared. Now I need to really scroll this thing out. What I usually advise people, I think, out a bit. I've lost it. There it is. So what I usually advise people is when you're using these things, you definitely want to get an idea of what's happening on the higher time frame. That's what you want to do. Get an idea of what's the situation on the higher time frame. You can see here on the daily, you would have sold here Euro USD right at the top, and you would have just held and just let it ride. That's another approach. Maybe if you go to the 4 hourly. So what I'm getting at is you want to filter out bad trades. So what you can do is basically go to the higher time frame. Go to the higher time frame. Find the trend on the higher time frame, and then when you go down when you're trading with these systems, even on the 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame, whatever time frame that rocks your boat, you want to go with the direction of the trend on the higher time frame. If it's selling, you want to be selling on that 15 minute. So you're only looking for sell what alerts. You're only looking for sell alerts with this system. If it's buying on the higher time frame, you are only looking for buys. You are only looking for buys. Don't look for sales. You are only looking for buys. So the moment it says buy, you buy. And the moment when that thing exhausts, you close your trade. And as long as the trend is still going up, let me just delete this. As long as that trend is still going up, you are still looking for buys. When it says buy, you buy. When it says sell, you close your trade. If the overall trend is selling, the moment it says sell, just sell. The moment it says buy, you close a trade. You wait for another sell. So that's how you play around with this system. So this is an exciting tool. It used to be on the premium shelf. Now it's available for free, and I hope you can use this and you can make a whole lot of money. If you have any questions, or if you have anything that you want me to find for you, leave it in the comment section below. I'll try my best to help you find whatever you are looking for. Otherwise, guys, subscribe, like the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.